Welcome to our series on the XRP Ledger. In this episode, we'll describe how transactions are confirmed on the XRPL using the consensus mechanism. With a decentralized ledger, there's no single central arbiter that confirms transactions, but there does need to be a method to ensure that all network participants execute transactions correctly and consistently. This includes the order in which transactions are processed, to avoid what is called the double spend problem, an attempt to spend the same asset more than once. On a blockchain, there are different ways to reach this agreement. One of the first consensus algorithms developed is called proof of work, which is used by a number of blockchains. A number of validating nodes called miners all compete with each other to solve a difficult mathematical puzzle. So difficult that it takes a huge amount of computing power and electricity. And why do complex math all day? Because not only does the winner decide the transaction order, they also get a reward paid out in that native asset. But it does come at a cost to the environment, particularly if the energy used is not sustainable energy. And it's not always the most efficient way to settle a ledger, as it takes a lot of time and can be expensive. There's also proof of stake, where each node stakes a certain number of cryptocurrency in order to participate. And similar to buying lottery tickets, the more you invest, the greater chance you have of winning. This is much more efficient, but it does concentrate validation among the wealthiest stakers. And finally, we'll discuss a third method, the XRP Ledger consensus algorithm. This doesn't rely on huge amounts of energy to solve math problems or require pay-to-play. Instead, the incentive for the nodes to confirm transactions on the XRPL is simple, so that the ledger functions well. And the best way to help the ledger function well is to reach accurate agreement as efficiently as possible. So within seconds, a number of diverse and independent nodes rapidly compare notes on a set of transactions until they agree on the processing order and confirm the transactions. Because this happens within seconds and isn't based on solving complex math problems, it only uses a tiny fraction of the energy that proof-of-work blockchains use. In fact, the XRP Ledger is the world's first major global blockchain that is carbon neutral, so it's more environmentally friendly. The XRPL node operators want the ledger to function well for a variety of reasons. Many actually use the ledger, others are researchers or innovators, and others simply believe in the project and its ability to power progress. And the diversity of this group and their interests is what helps keep the XRP Ledger decentralized and secure. To learn more about the fundamentals of the XRP Ledger, please watch the next episode.